Yo, what's up mga treasure? Another episode of our rare finds for today. And our featured item is this Funko keychain na may signed ni Manny Pacquiao. So I don't know if you can still recall, nakuha natin yan sa isang swap meet, sa isang collector din. And yung video is ayan, nasa screen. So ayan yung transaction natin wherein we traded our NBA cards. Well, Wemby cards, Moses Moody card, and a Kevin Durant Golden State Year Tri-Patch numbered card for this Manny Pacquiao signed item. So as you can see, as I said on that video, talaga namang damaged na yung box. The condition is really not that good. Pero the sign itself, so ayan, kita nyo naman siguro sa video, so buong buo pa rin siya. And together with the proof of Manny signing this Funko keychain. So what we are after is the signature, and I really find that trade, well, equal or fair. Kasi nga, as I said on that video, ang hinahabol natin dito is yung pirma ni Pacquiao. So sa boxing world talagang napakasikat na itong tao na to. And up until now, marami pa rin nag-idolize sa kanya. And also, I hope I can get another item with his signature, whether it's a gloves or a cap. So I don't know, I will try to find another item relevant or signed by Manny Pacquiao. But for this episode, ito yung meron tayo, the very nice signed Funko keychain ng ating pambansang kamao, Manny Pacquiao. So yun lang guys, na-share ko lang. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So see you guys later. See ya.